After one full season of playing to an empty stadium, it was time to bring fans back to the arena. So we wanted to welcome them back with an epic hype video to get them excited for the experience. I'm Aaron, and this is Behind the Craft. The Tri-City Americans, a WHL hockey team in Kennewick, Washington, was about to start their 2021-2022 season, and they came to BrandCraft to help them create a hype video that would play before each game. Because this was the first time fans were going to be back in the stadium in a year, we wanted to make this video epic. It needed to capture the excitement of a live game experience and serve as a rallying cry to get the crowd united behind the team. So that started with the script. I didn't just want to make a cool sizzle reel and time it to music. I wanted to tell a story that immersed the audience and made them feel like they were going into battle alongside the team. To do that, I used their mascot, the bald eagle. We follow it as it soars past landmarks from the area, freezing the river behind it on its way to the Toyota Center, and tie the bird of prey to the team and fan base in attendance by using narration and cross-cutting between this main story and some sweet B-roll of the team. To pull off these shots, I went out with a drone early in the morning. Then I took the footage into After Effects and spent more hours than I can remember tracking and animating the snow, ice, and fog. The fog really made the shots more dynamic and sold that illusion of a drastic change in temperature. Speaking of fog, one of the best last-minute decisions I made on this project was picking up a fog machine on my way to get these shots with the team. Because when you backlight fog, it just looks awesome. And it really gave an atmosphere and attitude to the background here that I don't think we would have gotten otherwise. Aside from that, we just turned off the lights in the arena, set up a key light on the second level here just out of frame to create those intimidating silhouettes, and then used a small fill from the left and the black lights in the arena ceiling to bring in those hints of detail in the uniforms. For the player intro close-ups, I just pulled that fill light in and had the players skate through the fog and into place. Lastly, I really wanted to do something to make each game's intro video unique. So I created a donut hole in the script for the narration to specifically call out the opponent of each game. It's a simple edit, but by creating multiple versions of this video, I think it was a really cool way to get the home crowd united behind a common foe, and make for a more memorable experience for the opposing team too. Looking back, this has been one of the most fun projects I've worked on, and I think that's because it had a little bit of everything. Visual effects, dramatic lighting, camera movement, and a story that brings it all together. To see how the final video turned out, be sure to check the link in the description to this video and follow and subscribe for more.